Welcome back to physics session. Now we are going to discuss topic relation between self-inductancy and mutual inductancy for a pair of coil. For a pair of coil. Here I would like to take two inductors, their names. So this is the first inductor. This name is L1. And this is the second inductor, this name is L2. Here the first inductor, here current outlet consider I1, this is the I1. Here the mutual inductance bidirectional, by direction. For a pair of coils having self inductance, so here the for a pair of coils having self inductance L1 and L2. Here the L1 and L2, then their mutual inductance, mutual inductance of coefficient. So he is given as capital M is equal to K into under root of L1 and L2. Under root of L1 and L2. Here K is called coupling factor. K is called here the coupling factor. Here K is coupling factor. K is here coupling factor. This value 0 to here the 1. This is the K value range 0 to 1 here. For 100% flux linkage between coils. So very first point, for 100% flux linkage between coils in this situation K is equal to 1 case. K is equal to 1. So here K is equal to 1, you may substitute here. So what happened? Here the M is equal to root of L1 into L2 for ideal condition. So here the M is equal to under root of L1 into L2. This condition is nothing but here that implies for ideal condition. For ideal condition means here these two are arrangement. So like this one is this one inductor. So here the current I1, leaving. So here the another one arrangement like this is a condition. Now this is a condition. So here they both are opposite direction. These are in this situation K is equal to 1. This situation nothing but ideal condition. So in this situation M is equal to root of L1 L2. Some they will give L1 and L2 value. They will ask so here M value mutual induction of coefficient they will ask. So here this is now second case. So for no flux linkage between coils. So second case for no flux linkage between coils. It means K is equal 0. K is equal 0. Here two possibilities there. First possibility, this is the first inductor, and here between the here to here long distance, long So here the long distance. So here the long distance, you may put another inductor. It means no linkage flux enter to the second one. Here the current I1, here the I1, no flux linkage. Here no magnetic flux enter the second inductor. In this situation, K is equal to 1. And one more case also possible. This is a first inductor. Now this is a second inductor. In this situation also, here the current passing through this L1, this L2, this inductor name L2, this inductor name L1. So no linkage flux enter to the second one. In this situation also, here K is equal 0. If K is equal 0, so in mutual induction of coefficient value also 0. This relation is very, very important. Based on this one, they will ask numerical problems. Another important topic, inductor in series combination. Here two cases possible. Very first case, when flux of two coils are in same direction. So another one, when flux of two coils are in opposite direction. So case number 1. Here the case number 1 we are going to discuss. In this situation here, when flux of two coils are in same direction, it means here the connecting two inductor or series combination like this. This is the another one. Here the current I. So here the current passing through, this is the direction. Here the one more, this name is L1, this name is L2. This is the current. When the current passing through series combination, same current. Here this current, so increase, I would like to take here this current is increasing with time. This current is increasing with time. So here I would like to take here the two dot points. Here the one dot point. Here the one more dot point. Here the dot point nothing but here the dot point nothing but you may identify the. So here the north pole. Here also north pole. This is the south pole. This one also south pole. So here the magnetic flux. So here the direction always inside this inductor, south to north, same direction. This is the same direction. When flux of two coils are in same direction, this direction and this direction both are same direction. Here the flux phi1, here the flux phi2. So let's consider here we can use so here the mutual, so total flux in first one, flux phi1 is equal to, so here the already we know here the L1 into I. So if you want, you may write small letter or small current also, so no problem. If you consider capital I, you may write here capital I. If you consider small I, you may write here small I. Here the no need to write I1 I2. So because in series combination I must be equal L1 and L2. So here the both are same case, that's why you may take positive into I. That implies here the EMF is equal to, here the in this situation EMF E1 should be is equal to, so here the L1 into di by dt plus m into di by dt is equal to dou pi by dt. or d pi by E is equal to EMF E is equal to, so L into di, so or d according to Faraday's law, di by dt, according to Faraday's law, so d phi by dt. In that situation, inductor L1 constant, M also mutual inductance also constant, that's why I wrote like this. So similarly here we can use phi 2 is equal to L2 I plus M into I should be is equal to, that implies here the EMF, induced EMF phi 2 is equal to L2 into di by dt plus M into di by dt plus M into di by dt. Here you may apply Kirchhoff voltage law. Kirchhoff voltage law. This is a point, this is a B point. You may apply here Kirchhoff voltage. Here you may apply Kirchhoff voltage law equation from A to B. From A to B. It means VA. Here in the direction, here the EMF, here the VA minus L1 into, so this is a minus, take out common, L1 into this is the EMF di by dt plus M into di by dt. So here the second, here the EMF minus, so L2 di by dt plus M into di by dt. So that should be is equal to VB. That should be is equal to VB. Here the VA minus VB should be is equal to L1 plus M, take out common here, di by dt, di by dt, di by dt plus L2 plus M of di by dt. That implies, so L1 plus L2, L1 plus L2 plus 2M into di by dt, that should be equal VA minus VB. So VB, VA minus VB. So this VA minus VB nothing but EMF. That EMF is equal to inductor into, so di by dt, di by dt. It means compare that equation. Here L equivalent is equal to L1 plus L2 plus 2M. This is a resultant inductance, self inductance, resultant self inductance. So in second case what happened, we are going to so discuss. In second case, case number 1, this is the situation. Case number 2 also what happened, we are going to discuss. So in case number 2, both are opposite direction. Simply both are opposite, flux linkage both are opposite direction. So here the case number 2, here the case number, here case number 2. So here when flux of two coils are, when flux of two coils, when flux of two coils are in a, say opposite, two coils are opposite direction, two coils, so two coils are in opposite, are in opposite direction. So this is a first coil, this is the second coil, this is L2, L1, here the phi 1, here the phi 2. So any one of the opposite, any one of the opposite, it means this is the, here the dot points, here the dot points, here the dot point, here the north, here the north, here the south, here the south. This is the direction. One is the opposite direction, one is the opposite direction. In this situation, here the flux 1 is equal to, so here the same current, this current also increasing with the time. So in the throughout this circuit, this is a series combination. In the series combination, current same. That's why here the L1 into di by dt, Here the minus, because both are opposite direction, m into di by dt. Similarly, phi 2 is equal to L2 into di by dt minus m into di by dt. Here this point is A and this point is B. So here you may apply here KVL equation from A to B. So here the VA, direct I am going to write VA minus VB should be is equal L1 plus L2 minus 2m into di by dt, and this equation and this equation you may compare. So EMF VA minus VB is equal to L equivalent into di by dt. So these two equations you may compare. So here the L equivalent is equal to L1 plus L2 minus 2m. These are in series combination. These are two cases are very important. So whenever they are asking this type of question, you may do like this. Next concept, inductor in parallel combination. In this parallel combination, there is no mutual induction. So there is no mutual inductance or induction. So in this situation, so now I am going to write two inductor are here the parallel combination. This is the first inductor. Now this is the second inductor. These two are connecting. It's a B point. This is a point. Here the current enter to the junction I. Here the current, this is a junction. Here the current outlet consider I1. Here the current outlet consider I2. This is L2. This is the L1. Here the flux pi 1. Here the flux pi 2. So here the flux. So here they both are. Here the point A and here the point B. Here the point B. Here the point also A. So it means here the EMF should be is equal to here the EMF. So here, according to Kirchhoff current rule, current enter to the junction should be is equal to current leaving from the junction I1 plus I2 is equal I1 plus I2. This is according to Kirchhoff current rule. Here in this situation, this one I am going to write rediagram. This is a net equivalent. So L equivalent. Here the B point. This is the A point. Here the current. So passing through this resultant inductor. Here the I. So in this situation, so here this one also A. This is a B. This is a A. This is a B. So here the VA minus VB is equal to L1 di1 divided by dt. That should be is equal to L2 di2 divided by dt. So because here the parallel, here the EMF both are same. So that's why here the VA minus VB should be is equal to L equivalent of di by dt. This one also should be equal. So here according to this one, I am going to derive this is this function, this equation. So with respect to time, derive this equation with respect to time, differentiate with respect to time. So in this equation, di by dt should be is equal to di1 by dt plus di2 by dt. di2 by dt. So here di nothing but here the di nothing but resultant. So from this one, I am going to write VA minus VB divided by L equivalent. So I am going to substitute that equation here. So VA minus VB divided by L equivalent. That should be similarly this one nothing but di1 by dt is equal to VA minus VB divided by L1. So VA minus VB divided by L1 plus V similarly. So di2 divided by dt should be is equal to VA minus VB divided by L2. So VA minus VB divided by this one get cancelled. Final equation 1 by L equivalent is equal to what? So 1 by L2. So OR OR. So L equivalent is equal, this one look like a parallel combination of resistance. See, so here the L1 into L2 divided by L1 plus L2. This is the equation. So here it means here the flux should be is equal to here flux. So here it means with same condition here the, so L1 I1 should be is equal to L2 I2 and I is equal to I1 plus I2. From these two equation you may simplify, you will get individual current I1 how much they will ask. Here I1 is equal to how much they will ask, I2 is equal to also how much they will ask. So solve these two equation, you will get, so I1 should be is equal to L2I divided by I1 L2 I divided by here the L1 plus L2, L1 plus L2. Similarly I2 should be is equal to L1 I divided by L1 plus L2, L1 plus L2. This equation also very important. Based on these three formulas they will ask numerical problems. Another important topic, LC oscillations. So LC oscillation nothing but the combination of inductor and capacitor. So previously we discussed inductor and resistor and only inductor thing like that we are discussing. Now we are going to discuss here also LC oscillation. So by here oscillation nothing but frequency. From this one we are going to find frequency. So here first of all I am going to discuss here this combination nothing but this capacitor. This is one capacitor. This capacitor connecting inductor. This capacitor connecting inductor with help of switch. With help of switch, this is the inductor name L. This capacitor C. So here the above positive Q, here the negative Q plate, here the switch at t is equal 0 time, this switch close. In this situation here the current moving this direction. In this situation current I is increasing with respect to time. So in this situation this point is a positive, this one is a negative. Here the EMF, here the EMF. In this situation here the energy stored in this system should be is equal to here capacitor and inductor. So capacitor storage already we know. Here this after some time here the charge Q by 2C plus 1 by 2 L into I square. After some time here the current passing through the small I. Here the current passing through this inductor, here the I current. So here this one in first stage. So after some time here the no capital Q charge. So this inductor act as a active inductor. Here the in this one here the last current maximum current I naught. I would like to consider here the I maximum should be is equal to I naught. Maximum current passing through the inductor in last current. So here the minus Q, here the plus Q, here the minus Q and here the plus Q. This is a capacitor. Here the Q should be is equal to 0. Here the Q should be is equal to 0. This is the current I. After some time, so this is again come to this plus Q and here the minus capital Q. So here the inductor switch close case. So here the whenever the switch closing here so sorry here the plus and here the minus. So here the decreasing current decreasing case nothing but here the this is the L. Here the inductor current is so here the decreasing. After finally this value is equal to 0. After finally this value current passing through the inductor, this value should be is equal to 0. So in this situation again you are going to write another one. This capacitor. So this is a inductor. This is a switch. Another switch closing case. Here the switch closing case. In this situation here the q is equal to 0, q is equal to 0, and here the current is decreasing. So here the I, in this situation I, so here q is equal to 0 case, and this situation both are similar situation, this is on also. Here the minus q, this is the plus q, net here the q charge is 0 case. Here that means here the in decreasing here the current, lost current, so I naught, this is the maximum current, that is the also a maximum current in opposite direction. So this situation and this situation both are same. After this situation, so here the you may write another one. So this is the inductor, it come to original shape, this is a positive q, this is a negative q, it come to original case. Here the in original case here also current I is equal should be equal to 0 case, it come to original. In these two cases, here the charge should be is equal to 0, so you may substitute system. Here the system, in these two situations system, here the energy is equal to q square by 2c, that should be is equal to 0 by 2c plus, so L into I square divided by 2, so this become to 0 by something 0, so these two get cancelled. Here q square is equal to L into C into I square, so here the maximum current, so here the this one is nothing but maximum or minimum case, whatever the case. So here the last second current, here the I is equal to here I naught, here the I naught, so that value you must substitute here. So after this one, so here the q square by LC is equal to I naught square, that I naught is equal to root of q square by LC, it means I naught is equal to q divided by root LC. Based on this one also they will ask numerical. We are going to discuss analysis of so LC oscillation, very important topic. Analysis of LC oscillation, we are going to discuss mathematical explanation. Here the, so this is a capacitor, this is the inductor, this is a switch. So S t is equal to 0, here the close, here the positive q, here the negative q, this is a C, here the current moving direction, this is the current moving direction. Whenever the current moving direction, here in this situation by energy conservation under ideal situation, by energy conservation, by energy conservation ideal situation. So here the in ideal situation, here energy system is equal to q square by 2c, that should be equal small q square by 2c plus L into I square by 2, this is a, so energy ideal situation means, so here the conservation energy equation, this equation differentiable, so are differentiate with respect to time, this equation difference with respect to time, what happened. So this equation difference with respect to time, here this is a constant value, that's why you may write 0, constant differentiate 0, this one. So here the 1 by 2c you may write out of the differentiate, here the dq square by dt plus L by 2 you may write outside di square by dt, So this equation you may differentiate, so this equal share right here, it means 1 by 2c into this derivation, So 2q into dq by dt plus L by 2 into I into di by dt, that should be is equal to 0. dq by dt is nothing but here the dq by dt nothing but here the I square 2 also there. This 2 get cancelled. So here final value, here the q by c into dq by dt plus I into di by dt should be is equal 0. dq by dt nothing but I and I take out common, so q by c into I should plus I into di by dt is equal 0. I take out common, finally q by c plus di by dt is equal 0 into I. So from this one, so dq by di by dt plus q by c is equal to 0. 0 by something is equal to 0. So this one already we know I is equal to dq by dt. This value you may substitute here, d by dt of dq by dt plus here the q by c is equal to 0. q by c is equal to 0. q by c is equal to 0 here. So here L is missing, here L is there, here L is there, sorry, here L missing. So here the L, not here the L, here the L. So here the L. So d square cube divided by dt square is equal to minus q by L into c. So or here the plus is equal to 0 also. So d square by dt square plus 1 by LC into q is equal to 0. This equation look like a equation of SHM, look like a basic equation, differential equation of SHM. This is basic differential equation. This is basic differential equation of simple harmonic motion SHM. So in simple harmonic motion, here the d square q by dt square plus omega square into q is equal to 0. Compare these two equations. So write down omega square is equal to 1 by LC. Omega is equal to 1 by root of LC. So from this one you may find the frequency. So frequency is nothing but here the omega is equal to 2 pi f is equal to 1 by root of LC. Frequency is equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. This is a LC oscillations. LC oscillation. From this one they will ask time period also. So time period t is equal to 1 by f is called time period t. So t is equal to 2 pi under root of L into c. Based on this formula, they will ask numerical problems. So one more formula also there, that so here the in current in LC circuit at any time as a function of capacity, charge can be given as so I is equal to omega into under root of, so here I is equal to, in that situation here I is equal to omega into under root of q minus q naught, q square minus q naught square, q square minus q naught, sorry first q naught is the amplitude, q naught square minus q. I am going to prove this one also. So now I am going to prove that one, whether that is correct or not. I am going to give derivation also. I am going to give whether this equation right or wrong. I am going to give derivation. So here I is equal to omega under root of q naught square minus q square. Whether this one is the correct or not, I am going to prove. So here in SSM equation, d square q by dt square plus omega square into q is equal 0. So here from this one, omega is equal 1 by root LC. So here solve to this equation. So here it means q is equal to q naught into sine of omega t plus alpha. In this equation, differentiate with respect to time. In this equation, differentiate with respect to time. So dq by dt, here q naught constant, that's why you may write q naught outside dt into sine of omega t plus alpha. This differential equation q naught cos of omega t plus alpha, again differentiate omega t into omega. So dq by dt nothing but I. So here dq by dt nothing but I. This I is nothing but already we know the equation. For example, so here the waves amplitude, this is a negative amplitude, this is a positive amplitude, this particle oscillating in here in between them. So this is the particle oscillating. Here the situation, x is equal to a into sine of omega t plus alpha. Here the velocity is equal to a omega sine of cos of omega t plus alpha. So in this equation, velocity v is equal to, so here the omega under root of, here the a square minus x square. A square minus x square already we know. So compare this, x is nothing but q is equal to q naught sine omega t. Here I is nothing but velocity. That's why here in this situation, compare this one. That's why I am going to write I is nothing but velocity. Here the current moving. Here the current moving in that circuit, LC circuit. That's why current under motion. Case velocity I is equal to omega into, here the q naught nothing but amplitude minus q square. Here x is a variable, here q also variable. Here a constant amplitude, here q naught is nothing but so constant. So that's why compare these two equations, you will get like this. Welcome back to physics session. Now we are going to discuss topic relation between self-inductancy and mutual inductancy for a pair of coil. Here I would like to take two inductors, their names. So this is the first inductor, this name is L1, and this is the second inductor, this name is L2. Here the first inductor, here current outlet considered I1, this is the I1. Here the mutual inductancy bidirectional. For a pair of coils having self inductancy, so here for a pair of coils having self inductancy L1 and L2. Here the L1 and L2, then their mutual inductancy, mutual inductancy of coefficient. So he is given as capital M is equal to K into under root of L1 and L2. Here K is called coupling factor. K is called here the coupling factor. Here K is coupling factor. K is here coupling factor. This value 0 to here the 1. This is the K value range 0 to 1 year. For 100% linkage flux linkage between coils, so very first point, for 100% flux linkage between coils in this situation, k is equal to 1 case, k is equal to 1. So here k is equal to 1, you may substitute here. So what happened here, the m is equal to root of L1 into L2 for ideal condition. So here the m is equal to under root of L1 into L2. This condition is nothing but here that implies for ideal condition. For ideal condition means here these two are arrangement. So like this one is this one inductor. So here the current I1, leaving. So here the another one arrangement like this is a condition. Now this is a condition. So here they both are opposite direction. This in this situation k is equal to 1. This situation nothing but ideal condition. So in this situation m is equal to root of L1 L2. Some they will give L1 and L2 value. They will ask so here m value, mutual coefficient, induction of coefficient they will ask. So here this is now second case. So for no flux linkage between coils. So second case for no flux linkage between coils. It means k is equal 0. K is equal 0. Here two possibilities there. First possibility, this is the first inductor, and here between the here to here long distance. So here the long distance. So here the long distance, you may put another inductor. It means no linkage flux enter to the second one. Here the current I1, here the I1, no flux linkage. Here no magnetic flux enter the second inductor. In this situation k is equal to 1. And one more case also possible. This is a first inductor. Now this is a second inductor. In this situation also, here the current passing through this L1, this L2, this inductor name L2, this inductor name L1. So no linkage flux enter to the second one. In this situation also, here k is equal 0. If k is equal 0, so in mutual induction of coefficient value also 0. This relation is very important. Based on this one, they will ask numerical problems.